Working with YAML files can be challenging when you need to share, analyze, or migrate data into different formats on Mac. In this video, we'll show you how to easily convert YAML files into multiple formats using the SysTools YAML Converter tool. It is a reliable solution that converts YAML files into various formats while maintaining data integrity and the original structure. Key features of the software. Convert YAML and YML files into more than 15 popular file formats with ease. Whether you need JSON, XML, CSV, Excel, PDF, HTML, or other formats, the YAML Converter provides accurate and reliable data conversion. Easily import your YAML data using the Add Files or Add Folder options. Convert a single file or load an entire folder for quick and efficient processing. The software provides a folder tree option that helps preserve the original folder structure throughout the export process. SysTools YAML Converter fully supports all YAML data types, including strings, numbers, arrays, booleans, objects, null values, and nested collections. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools YAML Converter tool. Click on the top search result that leads to the SysTools official website. On the product page, click the Mac tab and download the software by clicking on Download for Mac button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools YAML Converter tool on your Mac system by following the on-screen instructions. This is the main interface of the SysTools YAML Converter software. First, you need to select the YAML files you want to convert. For this, the software provides two options: Add File to select individual YAML files, and Add Folder to import an entire folder at once. Select the files and click Open button. If you have added the wrong YAML file, then simply select the file and click on the Remove or Remove All option. Now, click Next button. Under the Export Options section, choose your preferred output format from the available options and proceed with the conversion. Next, enable the Maintain Folder Tree option to preserve the original folder hierarchy during the export process. After that, if you want to change the output file location, click the Change button and choose the destination folder where you want to save the converted files. At last, click Export button. Once the export process is completed, a pop-up message will appear confirming that the export process has been completed successfully. The software will show the final status report with total item count, success file count, and failed file count. Now, click on the View Report button. By clicking on this, you will redirect to the export location. There, you will see Export Report along with all the YAML files converted into your selected file format. That's how you can quickly and accurately convert YAML and YML files into various formats using the SysTools YAML Converter tool. Visit the product page for more details and purchase the tool. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.